Hello. In this video, I'm going to walk through the process or steps that I took to use first person controller in Unity in a terrain environment. So the end result would look something like this. We have terrain with hills or mountains and number of trees. And a player who uses person controller from Unity can navigate the terrain, and the player can walk back and forward, turn around, and even jump. So let's start. I have created a empty project in Unity. I'm using Unity 2022.3. We will first need to add or use certain packages. We will use terrain tools from Unity. We will use first-person controller from Unity starter assets, and we will use foliage pack free for adding trees in on our terrain. So we'll start with adding the first-person controller. For that, I'll go to Asset Stores from Windows Asset Store, and I will search for starter asset. And you will see here the starter assets in the results. I have already bought this. It's free, but you need to add it to Unity. So you click on this. If you have not already added, uh, then click this button, and this will open the in Unity. So in Unity, you import this asset pack by clicking this import button and click install or upgrade if it prompts you to do that. Click yes. And then click import. So the editor restarts. Make sure the package is imported by going to project, and I don't see it is being imported. So I'll go back to package manager, select starter assets, import, and click import. All right. We'll close the package manager, and now you can see starter assets inside your assets folder.